Hey guys, it's your boy, Neuro Ninja here, aka Jay.car, back at again with another spicy food review. Today we're reviewing the new the Wendy spicy nugs. And you know us here at Jay.car, we're all spicy boys.
Suck my dick, suck my dick, suck my
You like your spicy meatball?
It's great.
Well, I got these spicy nugs. Let's peep this out. Let's try it out. That's pretty good nug. I very much enjoy that. I give that 10 slammers out of 5. Click back to see my previous videos. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. And now, a word from our sponsor, Postmates. Postmates is a great deal that you could get food and then they send it to you. They bring it to your house. It's